Aloha! In this quick video, I'll show you the Laulima Dropbox tool. The Dropbox tool is a way for you to upload information that can only be seen by your instructor, and for your instructor to download individual information for you. In my case, I've renamed the Dropbox tool Feedback for You, but you can recognize it by the two arrows, one going each way, indicating information can be uploaded by the student and the instructor. No matter what its name is, just look for the arrows. You'll see whatever individual information your instructor has sent for you. And in this case, it happens to be video feedback of something that I did. And when I want to upload something to the folder for my instructor, I would click on Actions, Upload Files. Then I can either drag and drop the file from my desktop or click here to browse my computer and find the document that I wanted to upload. Click Choose, click Continue, and you'll see that it's there. And that's all you need to know about the Dropbox tool.